In 1899, Nikola Tesla announced his discovery of a radio signal coming from space which, he believed, could have been under intelligent control. The source of the signal is believed by many to be a mysterious object orbiting the Earth, known as the Black Knight satellite. Something quite peculiar about the Black Knight satellite is that it follows a near-polar orbit. This atypical type of orbit is so difficult to maintain that it would be virtually impossible for a natural object or a piece of space junk to follow it. Only in very recent years has earthly technology advanced to the point where we can maintain this type of orbit with our own satellites. Since its initial discovery so many years ago, this strange object has continued to pop up throughout our modern history. Ever since the 1930s, many astronomers worldwide claim to have intercepted radio signals originating from the Black Knight. It made its media debut in the 1940s when the St. Louis Dispatch wrote an article about it. Additional articles were released about the Black Knight by the San Francisco Examiner on May 14th of 1954, by Aviation Week in Space Technology on August 3rd, 1924, and by Time magazine on March 7th of 1960. In 1957, Dr. Luis Corrales of the Communications Ministry photographed the object as he took pictures of Sputnik 2 while passing over Caracas. The unknown object was also seen shadowing Sputnik 1. It wasn't until 1960, 3 years later, that the first polar orbiting satellite was launched. On his final orbit in 1963, astronaut Gordon Cooper reported seeing the object moving toward his craft. A ham radio operator attempted to decipher the signals coming from the Black Knight. The signals were interpreted to be a star chart of the Epsilon Bootes star system, and that the mysterious satellite originated from there roughly 13,000 years ago. The object is reportedly still broadcasting radio signals to this day. NASA has released many photographs taken of the Black Knight, which have been shown during this video. Despite the evidence to suggest otherwise, skeptics are convinced that the Black Knight satellite is nothing more than space junk, litter left behind by other artificial objects previously launched into space, even though the first reports of the object occurred many years before mankind ever launched anything into space. Some scientists have taken a particular interest in the satellite and believe that it could possibly be evidence of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe. But the Black Knight satellite remains as yet but one more enigma that continues to divide the scientific community. Hey everyone, Drew here from Mad Cat Mysteries, and I hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. If you did, you can click on the subscribe button below. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.